Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Facebook, and if you want to look at the trend, you have to start with the trend that has changed since March 2020, and from the low of March 2020 we have seen a return of 121% in a span of 161 days. So within a span of 5 months you have seen this rally. Okay, so this is very big in terms of a percentage change. First thing. Second thing is that now we have seen that the volatility has returned and we can feel the heat for every stock, and more specifically the tech stocks, because they are the one which has risen the most. You need to find the decent support and resistance level, or the trend which you can call it a decent one. Why is it so? Because if it won't, the volatility will take your money away. That's a simple thing, because the stocks are falling like some mid cap or small cap kind of stocks, and in terms of market capitalization they are the biggest in the world, and more specifically biggest, they are much more bigger than in any country. You can say probably lots of countries GDP is not equal to the market cap of those companies. So there should be some sanity which may prevail in the time to come. Okay, but these kind of valuations and this kind of uh, money keep on pumping into the stock will have volatility, and which we can see right now. Now if you can see the trend here, what you will find is something like this. So let's just understand this trend. Yeah. So let me just simply tell you support and resistance which you can look for this particular script. Okay, we have our first support at $259, and then you have $249, and the bigger support lies at around $240. Currently the share price is trading at $271, and you have these three levels as your important support level on the downside. On the upside, you again have your range which falls in between 321 to 325, but obviously it will take couple of days, I would say, or if you can say in a span of 2-3 months, it would not be very big. But looking at the volatility in the stock, things can go anywhere. So here is an example where you can see the stock is meddling in between a trend. Okay, if you want to consider, or let me tell you one more thing which has left in this, is about the support level. Okay, one more support level below $240, and that is also has its own importance if things goes bad or things go south. So this is also a support level, or this is also a level which one should look for at the downside to find as support to 232. So we have 4 consecutive support levels on the downside, and on the upside you have a range which will fall in between 321 to $345. So you have 259, then 249, and 240 and 232 on the downside, and 321 to 345 on the upside. But again, the same thing or the same story prevails, that you should take your positions accordingly where you find the stock is near or at its support level, and which is very important. So what does happen if you do that, that your risk and reward, probability of risk and reward increases, where the chances of stock going into the same trend which you have analyzed is much more. Then you are taking random positions where the stock is trading in between the range, and there is a 50-50 probability that the stocks can go either on the upside or on the downside. So don't try to do that, okay? Let the price settle, decides or define its feet, and then you take your positions accordingly. Understand it, you have to be a bit patient even if you are going for a short term trend, and if you are not, then sometimes you have to pay a hefty price for that as well. So I hope this support and resistance level will help you doing that, and be disciplined, be safe, and always keep stop loss in track, and don't try to overplay something when you have seen the market can go anywhere, and next morning you're opening up, it may, if it falls for you, if it goes with you, then next day you will have lots of money, but if it goes against you, then there is a high probability then you will lose lots of money as well. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel for this. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.